Hindi pa rin kayong mamasyal, mag-jogging, mag-biking. Tapos mag-jogging, may biking. Pwede rin kayo magkape. And good morning everyone. For today's video, dito tayo sa C6. Dito sa C6 mga idol. Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito. Maraming nagja-jogging itong mga oras dito sa C6. Makita ninyo, iba naglalakad pa. Dito pala tayo sa gilid ng lake ng C6 dito sa along C6 road sa likuran ko. Ayan. Maya jogging tayo. Sa ngayon lalakad-lakad muna tayo. Ayan, maganda mag-jogging dito, maglalakad-lakad sa C6 pagka umaga pa, wala pang gaanong tao. Kaya sinusulit natin yung pagpunta dito ng ganitong oras na madilim pa kasi wala pang gaanong tao. Ayan, lakad-lakad muna tayo mga idol. Ayan, TLC Park tayo mga idol. Dito tayo sa gilid ng TLC Park, sa pinaka main gate ng TLC Park. Ayan, ay dito pa rin sa C6 mga idol.
Pwede mag-jogging.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, looking in the mirror to survive.
Ayan, TLC Park pa rin, mga idol.
I like to be
Sa
my
labas nga
own
lang
worst enemy.
ng TLC
There's no
Park.
risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. 'Cause there's so many differences in each of us.